Welcome to Billing Online. I bought this DC power charger 10 amperes, 12 volts from Shopee. It was delivered within 9 days. As you can see, there is no bubble wrap. It was just put in a box. I immediately noticed a crack at the bottom side. I also noticed the sticker protector for the screw was dislocated. This may have been damaged in transit. This may also have damaged the inside parts, so I will not be testing this product. I really don't know if this is safe to use because of the damage. This is what happens when it is not properly packed for products that are fragile. I am now moving the sticker protector to its right location. You will see later on that there is also a damage at the other side. Thank you for watching this video and please like and subscribe.